This video will teach you the concept of experimental and theoretical probability. Experimental probability means you actually conduct an experiment and keep track of the results. For example, you could pick cards out of a deck of 52 cards and see how often you get a heart. The experiment is random and may not exactly match what you should get in theory. Theoretical probability tells us that you should have a 25% chance of drawing a heart because 1/4 of the cards are hearts. Experimental probability, then, is the result of an experiment, where expected probability is what you expect to happen based on the possible outcomes. Here is another example of theoretical probability. Rolling dice. Theoretical probability is the expected result you would get from rolling a number on a die. If you want to know how often you get a 2, theoretical probability tells you there is a 1 in 6 chance. Theoretical probability is the number of ways an event can occur divided by the total possible outcomes. Here is another example of experimental probability. The number cube data table shows us how many times each number on the die was rolled out of 48 rolls. This is an experimental outcome. The colored disc on the right is a spinner. Actually spinning the spinner and recording how many times each color was landed on is also an experiment. Here is a short video on experimental and theoretical probability. Double-click to the right of the URL to refresh the video so you can play it.